This is Abu and Joan. Okay, today I'm going to be your teacher. Okay, and today we are going to learn new words. Okay, and the words are going to be about clothes. So Abu, I need your help. Can you help me?
Yes, of course.
Okay, can you find me some clothes?
Yeah, sure.
Come on, go. Oh, thank you, Abu. But what's this? Wow, this is a hat. Very good, Abu. Come on, give me something else. What's this, Abu? Oh, shorts. Very good. Perfect. And what else do you have, Abu? Okay, let me see. Wow, a t-shirt. T-shirt. Thank you, Abu. Come on, more. Oh, what's this? It's a sweater. Sweater. And we have the Lion King in it. Very good. Thank you, Abu. Come on. What else? Okay. Wow. A coat. Look. A coat. When it's cold or rainy, we wear a coat. Yes? Thank you, Abu. Okay, what else was that? Thank you. Wow. Sandals. Okay. We wear sandals in summer when it's hot. Come on, Abu, what's this? Thank you. I don't remember the word of this. Oh yeah. They are boots. 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 We wear them when it's cold. Okay? Thank you, Abu. Okay, so now it's your turn. I want you to find your favorite clothes. Take pictures of it and remember the words. Okay? I'll see you next week. Bye bye. Abu, where are you? Abu, come. Abu. Abu. Where are you? Abu. Okay, come and say bye-bye.
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 Bye-bye, 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 bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye. Bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye.